Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of alike. Two or more subjects that are similar. For example, the brothers were very much alike. American pronunciation. Alike. Alike. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Alike. Say. Alike. Alike means similar to each other. Alike. Alike. Alike origin. Middle English as an adverb, partly from Old Norse anika adverb, alike, alike or adjective like, resembling, partly from Old English anless adjective, anlik adjective, and partly Old English Gallice adjective, gelic adjective, both of Germanic origin. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Non-identical twins are only as genetically alike as any brother or sister. Now, repeat after me. Non-identical twins are only as genetically alike as any brother or sister. The second practice. Similarly, human groups can be reconciled because we are more alike than different. Now, repeat after me. Similarly, human groups can be reconciled because we are more alike than different. Visual representation of alike. Alike means two or more subjects that are similar.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.